Hello, today I will try to mount an action camera on top of my drone and see if it can fly. With these cheap drones, which have pretty good lifting power, it is possible that the cameras are not shooting good videos. Usually these medium range drones, they do fly well, they have really nice controls, but the video is still not of a good quality. So if you want to change the situation, you can try to mount a camera on top of it. Let's try to do it. I'll try to remove the battery first and see if it can fly without the battery. So let's try to do this. I'm removing the camera. The battery is one of the heaviest parts, and we'll use a double-sided tape to fix it on top. I'm gonna use a simple tape just for testing. Let's check if it's stable. Okay. And let's try to take off. Wow, that's cool. It's actually flying. And it's flying without the battery. Now let's try to do it with a battery. Okay, so I'm putting the camera in and putting it back. And let's try to fly. Wow, I'm surprised actually. This thing is flying and it keeps in the air. It's not falling down. It's not landing, nothing. So that's one of the ways you can improve your video. If you find a action camera that can be light enough for the drone to take off, you can do it actually.